J&K Racing YouTube channel. Today we're going to be headed to Majestic Trails in Pennsylvania. We got the Timberwolf loaded up, we got the CRV, and in the CRV we got a blaster. Got the F-150 loaded up with a blaster in there. We got the Raptor, my blaster, and the Grizzly. Gotta get them strapped down, and then we'll be on our way to Pennsylvania to go riding. Okay, so theoretically we should be leaving now. It's 5:15. Should be arriving at 7:30ish. Who knows if that'll be true. But we just got the food. We got road food, road drinks, and we're ready to go. Off to Majestic. So, the weather has changed a bit. It's raining. It's starting to get a little dark. We're going to be stopping in Olean to go get some food. Hopefully the rain's supposed to pass. Check the radar. It should be a passing shower, but there has been a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings for tonight. Tomorrow is supposed to be perfect. So yeah, the wind is picking up. You clearly can feel it, especially with the trailer on the back. So check in with you when we get back, but this is what we're dealing with right now. Setting up in the rain, it's gonna be a-okay. Alright, so situation is a lot worse. You could probably hear the rain is a little harder. We got some lightning. It's yeah, really excited for that. Set up for this, but holy crap. It's a bit on the rainy side. I'm glad that we're towing with a 4-cylinder that's very slow, because if we were going any faster than 55, it's kind of sketchy, but look at our visibility. I mean, it's getting ridiculous.
Wow.
Oh, man. Alright, so we're at Pizza Hut now. After that rain, we're going to try to see if it'll hold up when we get back on the road, but pizza time, so here we go. We got everybody here except Jonah, because who knows what he's doing. He's calling his mom, going to the bathroom, calling his girlfriend. There he is. He's back. Alright, we'll meet up with you guys when we get back on the road.
Camped at Walmart.
What else is there?
I know, camped at Walmart.
Nobody else is there, something else.
Alright guys, we're back on the road. We'll be there shortly. Right now, it's saying 9 o'clock and it's about 10 minutes, so catch up with you there. But current situation, the rain has stopped. Craziness. Still sprinkling. And it's pitch black. The complete opposite of actually how we wanted it to be. Ideally, we wanted it not raining and light out. Can't have everything, but we'll catch up with you then.